Hey guys, I've been slowly working on mounting up the Supercharger, like more secure. I had only 2 brackets there to the old tensioner. I just did this third one to the head. It's pretty damn sturdy. Went ahead and got a metal version of the pulley I was using. The other one was plastic and it melted. So this one's metal. Should hold up pretty good. The clearance between the belt and the hose is pretty tight, but so far so good. Today I'm going to be changing out the bypass valve because this butterfly leaks. You can like jiggle it. It's not a good seal. You can feel air leaking in there. So I got a Turbo Smart bypass valve. It's completely sealed. Damn, it still shakes a little bit. So the Turbo Smart bypass valve, it doesn't have a butterfly like this one, so it's not going to leak when it's not open. This one sucks. Even though it's a Pro Charger one, it's pretty shitty or crappy.
Yeah, it's pretty shitty.
Look, dude, like for real, you can like wiggle the butterfly. Like it's supposed to be airtight. That bitch leaks. Just losing boost. What? What? What the fuck?
He said what?
You want me to go all the way over there? That's too far. I'm gonna go. So what is this little hose for? This is a vacuum reference. This goes to the intake manifold. So under vacuum, this valve opens and lets air out. But then like when you floor it and it boosts, the valve shuts, and then all the boost just goes to the intake manifold. Just gotta rev it under here. Alright. Let's see what it do. Just Challenger for you? What's up? Were you expecting that?
Yo.
Let's stay together. So what I'm doing here is installing basically like the cheapest boost gauge I could find on Amazon. It's pretty cheap. I forgot how much it was. It's probably like 30 bucks. But supposedly I'm supposed to be able to change the colors. Oh, wow, look at that. So I was like, you know what, at least I can make it match the AAM as far as the color of the display. So I got the wires tapped in. I'm gonna run the vacuum reference from there to the engine bay. Actually, I already basically have it ran because I had a boost gauge. It actually took it didn't take a dump. I actually broke it. Uh-oh. I need to work on that connection. He's in. Man, that's how you know it's cheap. Whenever Doesn't even show a brand or anything. It's just straight up Boost. No brand. It's kind of funny. Okay, so I'm barely gonna swap it out now. I was running into issues at work. All right, go ahead and record me. I'm gonna do it before and after. Okay, so I'm recording.
This is the first time of my voice being inside a video. Subscribe to Bogus World and Gamer Boy. I'll be uploading on those 2 YouTube channels soon. Please like and subscribe this video and the other.
That sounds a lot better. It's more like pressurized.